DIY treatment with aspirin to eliminate marks, acne breakouts and facial lines. The actual DIY peeling using aspirin may help you deal with acne, scars, as well as wrinkles within the skin. Therefore it will surely turn out to be your #1 skin item. Based on research, it efficiently removes lifeless skin tissues, dirt, as well as regenerates your skin. Such natural remedies are a lot better than commercial types, because they are affordable and don't consist of harmful chemical substances. Furthermore, it is extremely easy to make. Aspirin is definitely an efficient discomfort reliever. It also has powerful attributes which could treat numerous skin problems. For this reason, several cosmetic supplements contain it. Aspirin requires acetic as well as salicylic acidity, that have powerful analgesic, anti-inflammatory, as well as antipyretic attributes. Aspirin additionally has beta-hydroxyl chemical, the fat-soluble component. Hence, this particular DIY peeling will get rid of dead pores and skin cells, restore the skin, as well as deal with spots and acne breakouts. You need to make it at night, as it is an incredibly strong therapy. Use it within small amounts for those who have sensitive pores and skin, and find out if it leads to any allergy symptoms. Firstly, be sure you make it and apply it at night because it is very strong. Additionally, you need to apply sunscreen on the skin the following morning, since the skin is going to be even more delicate. This is the way to make it. 5 aspirins. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. 2 tablespoons of honey. Directions. Wash the face area with cool water as well as soak the cloth in it. Then, put the cloth within the microwave up to half a minute. After that, use the towel on your face for up to 10 minutes so to open up the skin pores. This will ensure that the peeling works. After that, dry your face as well as apply the actual mixture. Leave it on for around 30 minutes. Next, wash with cool water as well as apply a skin moisturizer. The amazing results of this therapy are noticeable even after the very first use. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more natural skincare tips, subscribe to the channel.